Yeah, to mount the fuel tank, it's a 10 litre slimline tank. So 3 mounting holes through the middle. So it's about 250 by 260 for the mounting face. So got a 250 by 260 plate. Plan is to weld that plate on the back here. The back of the bar on there. And then put the tank on the back over here. So let's get that done, see if it works. Yeah, pretty simple, just little stitch tacks along the top and the bottom. Should hold it, screw the tank to that. Set slimline in the back of the tray. Should be good. I'm trying to fit the new fuel tank I got, so I bought a 10 litre slimline fuel tank off eBay for panel mounts. Put a panel on the back of the roll cage so I can fit it neatly up here out of the way. I only went 10 litres because quad bike was pretty good on fuel, so you ride around all day and not have to fill up the tank, and I think the other factory tank was around 10 litres, maybe a little bit more. So I can easily just put another little jerry can in the tray. And then that way I don't need to worry about the fuel going stale in the tank and having a problem siphoning it off to use it elsewhere because I don't get out that often. The only issue with the tank is it's for a generator, so it's only got a little hole there for the feed, and the fuel line itself is 5/16, which is just under 8mm. So I'm going to open this up a little bit, but I don't want to go too far because of the wall thickness. And then I've got a different fitting for it, so 1/4 inch BSP to 5/16 post tail, so if I can get a little bit closer to that, it'll be alright. Most of the time I'm just putting around, but if I'm full noise for a fair while, down a straight or a road or something, I don't want it siphonning the fuel. 7mm. Still a decent amount of wall thickness there. A few mil on each side, holes a bit bigger. I guess if this doesn't work, if this eventually fails, I might go to a different tank. I might build an alloy tank if I buy a TIG welder by then. If not, I could probably hole saw this out and put a bulkhead fitting through it and go with that. So, see what happens. Nice big washers on this to hold inside here. Little hose. Righto, it's fuel tank done. Fuel tank fitted. Couldn't see a filter, so I just put a clear, cheap, universal type filter in there so I can keep it on the fuel. Fuel pump's wired up, hoses are done. I wasn't sure if this hose was a return or a breather. I think it's just a breather. So even though there's a fair bit of fuel coming up in there, I think that's just the head pressure that was in the tank pushing a little bit more up the breather than normal. So we'll soon find out. I've got to put an actual breather on there and route this hose properly. But yeah. See, the fuel tank is conveniently located just above the exhaust, and the fitting comes out there. So yeah, that's it for another week. Stick around for the test drive. Maybe the fuel tank will leak and it'll bust into a fireball. Next, I'm doing the brakes. Maybe the brakes won't work. I'll hit a tree. Fuel tank will bust. Fireball, dead. Anyway, stay tuned. See what happens. See you then.